In this video, I'll be talking about company badges. So the thing which you see over here once you log into Dynamics 365 Business Central is called as company badges. Now, this is kind of like a circle icon with some text in it. And if you hover mouse over here you will be able to see which company you are currently logged into. Now, there are ways through which you can configure this. Now, what is it? Basically, it will show you when you click on this, it will show you what are the available companies you can connect to. And basically, it's a way to navigate to different companies. Now, as you see over here, there are a couple of other companies like Girish Airways and Girish Steel Industry, which has this icon, which is like this indicates that I haven't set up anything on this particular company. However, for Girish Coffee, I can see GIRCOF as a label. So basically, it's an identifier to, in short, just to show you that this is the company which you are currently connected to, and it's like a short form for a specific company. Now, in order to make changes, what you can do is you need to click on this, okay, just to find out what are the different companies which are currently available. And now if I select say different company, I have an option to switch. I can open it in a new tab or use an existing tab. Now let me open it in a new tab. So what happens is like Dynamics 365 Business Central will load, and then in my two different tabs I have two different companies loaded. Now this is a way through which you can see what's happening between different companies from a different context perspective. Now within Edge you can make use of the split screen to basically see different companies. So let me close this. Let me show you these two different companies over here. So one is Girish Uppal Inc. and one is Girish Coffee. Now, if you want to see side by side, you can click on this icon and then you will be able to see different companies side by side. Now, let me close this tab. Now if I switch to a different company and now if I want to change something, so take for example if I navigate to say Girish Airways and if I want to add an icon, so I can switch to that specific company. So it's like basically act as a company switcher. And then from there, if you click on the setting icon, you can navigate to company information, and from here you can if you just scroll down here you will see company badge. Now currently there is no badge set for this company. I have an option to change to make it to custom. So if I make it custom and if I say company badge style, I want a color of say deep purple, and I'll put a company badge text. Okay, so I have an option to put a company badge text, but if I don't put it, so let me just X out of it, and now it says okay, it will start loading the screen, and it will see that I have a company badge of custom, company badge style deep purple, but as you see over here there is no change. Okay, so that means if you want to show something over here within that end circle, you need to specify the company badge text, right? Okay, so let me close this and again go back to this badge. If I go into this Girish Airways company, I'll click on setting icon, go into company information, and then scroll down. Company badge custom, company badge strategy purple, and let me put some value. So this is say I'll just put air, okay, and I'll just this information is saved now, and now it says company badge has been saved and it will start loading this information. Now, as you see over here, now I see an encircled component with air text written in it. Now, this is all set. Let's go into the another company. So if I go to another company, I'll click on switch. It will switch to that different company. And this is like this company is Girish Steel Industry. So if I want to identify just from an icon perspective, then I can again go on the setting icon, click on company information, scroll down, go to company badge. I'll say now this time I want company badge as custom, and I'll pick light green color, and I'll just say steel, and that's it. If you click outside, it'll say company badge settings have changed. It will refresh the screen, and then this icon is now visible over here. So it is available in the top bar as well as in the selector. So that's it, folks. This is all about configuring the badges for your companies within Dynamics 365 Business Central. Thanks for watching.